Hey everybody, Phil Wunderlich with JT Pitts and Associates here at our beautiful listing at 2822 Lexington Road in Cherokee Gardens. This home has over 4,500 finished square feet, including a finished basement that the owners have just completed. There's 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. There's a first floor guest suite, a huge primary suite with a massive walk-in closet and gorgeous bathroom. As you can see, I'm in the beautiful renovated kitchen currently. This house is a great location. You're just minutes from Cherokee and Seneca Parks, very close to Seminary. So yeah, just give us a shout if you want to come check it out. It's a wonderful home, and we'd love to talk to you more about it. Thanks.